Last night I made these really pretty glasses. And if you are part of my Alcohol Inks glass course, my video course, I am going to add how to create these in that class. And if you're not a part of the class, you might want to join in. However, I am also working on a mixed media glass class, and most of the things that I use to make this glass, including the glass, are from the dollar store. And I think these glasses, each one probably cost maybe $2 or $3, including the glass. So stay tuned and join my glass class on kalninarts.com, and you can learn how to make these. I'm going to resin these. I think they actually are good enough at this point to use and to wash by hand. However, I do love the resin. It's shiny and beautiful. So please join me, and I want to show you how to make these.